Welcome to Commons Studios. This is a shared living experience just steps from Restaurant Row. Apartments in this building are studio efficiencies, so you have your own private living area and bathroom, and there's a communal kitchen and lounge for tenants to share. We're here today to see Apartment M. Let's head on in. As you enter, the first thing you'll see is your microwave and mini refrigerator, a feature of all studio efficiencies. These apartments have 5 pieces of furniture: a bookshelf, a desk and chair, a full-size bed, and a dresser, as well as plenty of closet space. This apartment faces north, with windows looking towards Seneca Street and the Seneca Street bus station. One great feature of Commons Studios is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. A nice bathroom with vanity and medicine cabinet, and a shower and tub combo. Rent for Commons Studios apartments includes heat, water, trash and recycling fees, and electricity. High-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons Studios M. Call us today for availability.